ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम, चूम लूं मैं उस जुबां पे जिस पे आए तेरा नाम। सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगी तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। On behalf of India Association Greater Boston Executive and Cultural Committee, I would like to welcome all of you to our next special event, the IAGB Golden Jubilee Parade. On my right hand side, there is a bridge. You can see that the parade will start from that point and will come towards the stage. Now I can see that half the people are looking at this side and the other half in the opposite direction. So let me try again. The parade is starting from the bridge that is towards the river's side. Now don't ask me where the river is. It's there, and the parade is starting from there and will come towards the stage. We are honored that today we have Honorable Ambassador of India, Nirupama Raoji with us, who is leading this parade. Followed by, give her a big hand, yes. Followed by current and past presidents of IAGB, executive committee members, cultural committee members, and leaders from various Indian American organizations. This is an outstanding demonstration of our true culture, unity in diversity. At this historic moment, leaders from many noble Indian American community organizations and leaders from various places in New England are walking together on this beautiful patriotic music and celebrating India's Independence Day together. I would again like to urge you all to not miss this great opportunity and witness this wonderful moment. I would quickly like to mention the names of all the organizations and leaders who are participating and supporting this parade. Aligarh Alumni Association of New England, Asha for Education, Asian Task Force Against Domestic Violence, American Indian Foundation, Association for India's Development, Bangla or Bishwa, Bihar Association of North America, Child Relief and You, Massachusetts, Chinmay Mission, India Circle of Care, Friends of India, Society International, Gujarati Association of New England, Hindu Swayamsevak Sangh of New England, India Development and Relief Fund, Indian American Forum for Political Education, Indian Institute of Technology Society in New England, Indian Medical Association of New England, India Society of Worcester, Jain Center of New England, Kashmiri Association, Kerala Association of New England, Lund Quest Academy, New England Hindi Manch, New England Kannada Kota, New England Marathi Mandal, New England Malayali Association, New England Tamil Sangam, New Hampshire Association of Asian Indians, the Network of South Asian Professional, Sindhi Association of New England, Telugu Association of Greater Boston, United India Association of New England, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and Vrindavan Preservation Society. Give them a big, big hand. I can see from stage that many people would like to see these great leaders and would like to take their pictures, and as they are coming towards the stage, here is your great opportunity. मैं अकेला ही चला था जानिबे मंजिल मगर लोग साथ आते गए और कारवां बनता गया. These great leaders came from far, far away to this country in last 50 years and built this amazing, outstanding community. While 50 years back, a handful of Indians celebrated India's Independence Day in the Boston area. Today we have thousands of people sitting at this ground enjoying this wonderful moment, and the credit goes to all these amazing leaders. Our community has a significant position in this country, and the richness of Indian culture is unparalleled in New England area. So give them a big hand on their wonderful success. Now I would like to take names of past presidents of IIGB. Mr. Raj Saxena, 1962-1963. Dr. Madhukar Pathak, 1963-65. Mr. Indra Kamal, 69-67. Mr. Jeevan Sachdeva, 69-71. Mr. Shiva Sheel, 71-73. Mr. Prem Amin, 73-75. Mr. R. Satya Prasad, 75-77. Mr. H.L. Khetrapal, 77-79. Dr. Chandramukhi Kapoor Kapasi, 79-81. Ms. Saroj Chani, 81-83. Mr. D.N. Chadda, 1983-85. Mr. Surendranath Singh, 1985-87. Dr. Bijoy Mishra, 1987-89. Mr. Alok De, 1989-91. Mr. Indra Dev, 91-93. Mr. Ramesh Motwani, 1993-95. Dr. Kaplesh Kumar, 95-97. Ms. Kamal Mishra, 97-99. Dr. Nanaji Saka, 99-2001. Mr. Ram Voraganti, 2001-2003. Dr. Anupam Vali, 2003-2005. Mr. M. Rajnikant, 2005-2007. Ms. Rita Shah, 2007-2009. Mr. Mohan Dadi, 2009-2011, and our current president, Amrit Soni ji. I would again like to request all of you to give them a big hand for their contribution to our society. Thank you so much. Thank you. MC. Next. I would like to request Kavya to announce the next item. Thank you.
Next item,
Yeah, I'm gonna. So are we doing the speeches now or no?
No, Jayanti.
So we have Congressman Tierney and Mrs. Tierney joining us here. So thank you to them, and they'll come back on the stage to give us a speech later.
Thank you, Preetesh, for running the parade.